So today I'm gonna teach you on how to get the range, variance, and ST of measures of variability. So in getting the class mark, you'll just add both intervals divided by 2. So 48, 43, 38, 33, 28, and 23. And in getting the fx, multiply the class mark and the frequency. 48 times 2 is equals to 96. 43 times 9 is equals to 387. 38 times 13 is equals to 494. 33 times 11 is equals to 363. 28 times 10 is equals to 280. 23 times 5 is equals to 115. So in getting the class mark minus mean, you will get first the mean. So in getting the mean, you will get the total of the frequency column and the f of x column. So the total of f column is 2 plus 9 plus 13 plus 11 plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 50. And the frequency class mark table, 96 plus 387 plus 494 plus 363 plus 280 plus 115 is equals to 1735. So the mean. So the solution for getting the mean is summation of f of x divided by summation of f. So 1735 divided by 50. So the answer is 34.7. So that is the mean. So 48 minus 34.7 is 13.3. 43 minus 33.7 is 8.3. 38 minus 34.7 is 3.3. 33 minus 34.7 is negative 1.7. 28 minus 34.7 is equals to negative 6.7. And last, 23 minus 34.7 is equals to negative 11.7. And in getting this class mark minus mean squared column is you will just square each of this number in the class mark minus mean column. So 13.3 squared is 176.89. 8.3 squared is 68.89. 3.3 squared is 10.89. Negative 1.7 squared is 2.89. Negative 6.7 squared is 44.89. Negative 11.7 squared is 136.89. So, in getting the frequency times class mark minus mean squared, is you will just multiply the class mark minus mean squared column to the frequency column. So 176.89 times 2 is 353.78. 68.89 times 9 is 620.01. 10.89 times 13 is 141.57. 2.89 times 11 is equals to 31.79. 44.89 times 10 is equals to 448.9. And last, 136.89 times 5 is equals to 684.45. And then you will get the total. 353.78 plus 620.01 plus 141.57 plus 31.79 plus 448.9 plus 684.45 is equals to 2,280.5. So now we can get the variance and the range variance and the standard deviation. So in getting the range, you will the highest number minus the lowest number. So we will add 0.5 to the highest number, which is 50. So it will become 50.5. And subtract 0.5 to the lowest number, which is 21, and it will become 20.5. So 50.5 minus 20.5 is equals to 30. And now in getting the variance, the formula is variance is equals to summation of f times class mark minus mean squared over summation of f minus 1. So summation of f times class mark minus mean squared is 2,280.5 divided by the summation of f, which is 50 minus 1 is equals to 49. So 2,280.5 divided by 49 is equals to 46.54. Now in getting the SD, you will just get the square root of 46.54. So the square root of 46.54. So the square root of 46.54 is equals to 6.82. That's all.